Hey everyone, welcome back to the Coding Wallah. How's the fire to get the job? We have got a new hiring opportunity for fresher software engineer from various company for various roles. So without wasting your time, let's move to the hiring. Before we discuss the hiring, like the video, smash the subscribe. First we have from PayPal. PayPal is hiring for backend engineer. Location will be Bangalore. Let's move to the responsibility of the candidate that handle in day-to-day life. As a PayPal employee, you have to develop code required for microservices. With that, you are also working on designs of the system. In line with that, you are also analyzing product requirements. Additionally, you are also handle troubleshoot, debugs, testing, documentation of software applications. Here are the requirements for this role. Have good programming solving skill with data. With that, good core Java tech skills. Additionally, innovative mindset. This is for fresher, no prior experience required. So if you are interested for this role, just go and apply. You get the link in the description box. Next we have from S&P. S&P is hiring for associate software engineer. Location will Gurgaon. Let's move to the responsibility of the candidate that handle in day-to-day life. You are working on development of high quality software. With that, you are also focused on software quality, productivity. In line with that, you are also working on design of softwares and many more. Here is it. You can read this. Let's move to the requirement for this role. Good knowledge of Java 8. With that, solid software design skills. In line with that, familiarity with Spring Boot, microservices, good understanding of multi-threading, experience of test-driven development, and many more. Here is it. You can read this. This is also for fresher. If you are interested for this role, just go and apply. You get the link in the description box. Next we have from metyis. metyis is hiring for front-end developer. Location will Gurgaon. Here is about the company. You can read this. Here are the benefits that provided by metyis. Let's move to the responsibility of the candidate. You have to write clean, functionable and scalable code. In line with that, you are also handling testing and fixing bugs. With that, develop and implement user faces. Additionally, you have to collaborate with UI UX designers. Additionally, you are also handle debug and troubleshoot, and you have to participate in code review. With that, you have to stay updated with the latest trend. You have to implement unit tests. Let's move to the requirement for this role. Have some basic understanding of HTML, CSS, JavaScript and front-end frameworks. With that, have some familiar with the version control tools like Git. In line with that, have a strong problem solving skill, communication skill, collaborative skill and many more. Here is it. You can read this. Two locations are provided by metyis for front-end developer role. So in which you are suitable, you can apply. You get the link in the description box of both the hiring for Gurgaon location or Bangalore location. In which you are suitable, just apply. Bye bye. Best of luck for your assessment round. Catch you later.